Welcome to the third and final module in this workshop. The time is here. You finally get to do activity 3.1, Ready, Set, Reverse, in which you actually get to use Understanding by Design, the UBD template, to plan an instructional lesson, activity, or unit for your agricultural education program. Now, here's the thing. I hope that you were able to bring with you a particular lesson that you wanted to work on, but if not, that's okay. We can help you identify something to work towards or work on, or maybe after doing this workshop, you've changed your mind. That's fine. Whatever you need to do in this activity today, you will essentially be reviewing that template and then using a blank template to design or create or revise an instructional unit that you would like to work on today. Now, as you work, please discuss these essential questions with your small group. Number one, how can the template be adapted or used differently to meet different needs? I think it's important to be clear. Maybe a little callback to what Jay said in that very first video we experienced today, is that this template should not be rigid. It's a process, it's flexible, adaptable. Components of it can be changed, used, modified, bounce back and forth in different ways based on your needs. So how could it be adapted to meet the different needs based on the course or the instructor using the template? And the second question is, which courses or content naturally, and I'd like you to think about this, so which essentially what I'm getting at is which kind of components of AF&R naturally lend themselves to this idea of understanding by design, which I would say lends itself to more of an inquiry-based learning where students observe a natural phenomena and then they investigate, right? And or they learn through active learning as opposed to passive learning. So which courses or topics lend themselves naturally to that, and which don't, and how should that affect the way we approach those? Okay, so those are the two essential questions. Just to review, the UBD template is also provided here on this document. You should have access to this, so it's here with the descriptions. And then at the bottom of this page, there is a blank template for you to work in. So that is there for you. Hope that can be helpful. This is the third and final module. Spend some time in this. And just as a reminder, there's a conclusion video for this workshop. So if you could leave maybe 3 to 5 minutes at the end of the workshop for that last video, that would be perfect. Thank you so much for your time today, and I hope you have a good time working through activity 3.1, Ready, Set, Reverse.